Welcome to the project demonstration of AC motor starter with help of GSM. So here we are going to controlling this motor, which is the AC 230 volts operated, so through the TRIAC. So usually we can use the two components basically, like TRIAC and relay. So relay is not soft starter purpose, so it is some delay will be there because it's electromagnetic relay. And coming to the TRIAC, it's directly fast switching purpose, we making use of TRIAC. So here the component is TRIAC name is BT136 and it was triggered by the MOC3021, that is optically isolated DIAC. So here the main flow is we are going to provide the 230 volts power supply from this cable, and this transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to the 12 volts of AC signal, and that particular 12 volts of AC converted into the DC pulsating DC with by using this 4 diodes. The 4 diodes are connected in a manner of full wave bridge rectifier, and after that we will get the DC and pulsating DC, and using this capacitor we are going to remove the pulses, and then we will get the pure DC. And after this 7805 regulator we are going to get the directly 5 volts power supply, and this particular 12 volts will be given to the directly to the GSM modem, and the microcontroller get the power 5 volts power supply directly from the GSM modem, as it has an inbuilt regulator on this board. And once the GSM mode PIC microcontroller get the signal of 5 volts power supply, then it will start reading the inbox of SIM card. So whenever the person send a message to the SIM card, it will be stored in the inbox, and the microcontroller will start reading the inbox message, and it will decode that. Based on the commands inside the message, it will control the AC motor through this TRIAC. So here the commands are MON, small letters, M on, and M off, MOFF, all are small letters. Based on this message we are going to control this AC induction motor. And coming to this microcontroller, we are using PIC16F73 microcontroller. So we have interfaced the GSM modem, that is SIM 800 at A0 and A1 pins, and a TRIAC interface at C7 pin of the microcontroller. And coming to this motherboard, on this we have the reset switch just to reset the microcontroller, and this power LED indicator, and is a program LED indication. So whenever we run the kit, the particular light will on and off continuously for every 1 second of duration. It's indicating as a heartbeat of the microcontroller. Okay, and so before switching on this kit, we need to insert a valid SIM card inside this GSM modem. So it should have the SMS balance and validity. Along with it should be other than Geo, either Airtel or VI or BSNL. And after giving the power supply, we should hold this reset switch. It's very important. We should hold this reset switch till the particular light blinking rate should be comes down to 3 seconds of duration. So now it's blinking faster. Now it's slow down, right? So it's indicating like it's trying to get the signal. So what is the purpose of the reset? Nothing much. So if you release the switch, then the microcontroller will send 80 commands to make the GSM modem ready for sending and receiving the messages. So if you release the button before getting the signal by the SIM card, then after that, before if it receives 80 commands, then the microcontroller sending a message commands, later on it will not receive the message commands if the 80 commands will received before the signal. So that's why we should hold the microcontroller till the SIM card get the signal. After got the signal in this manner, we get indication slow blinking rate, and then release the switch. There is a 2 times of blink light on and off 2 times, and then it blinks for when it start blinking. Then you need to send a message. You can send the message here. Right. So now the thing is GSM got initialized, right? And now I'm going to send the message of MON on, right? So when I send the message will be received, and at the same time the light blinking stops. Okay, and once the message decoded, right, the motor got switched on. So if you want to off that motor, then MOFF. So also we get the reply of motor got switched on. Right, so the motor got switched off, and also we'll get the reply back from the system. Right, motor got switched off. Okay, thank you.